Hello, in this video, we will look at returning multiple values from a function. Python allows you to return multiple values from a function. Let's look at this example. Here is sort with this two values. Now, if number one is less than number two, so this is the correct order. Return number one, number two. Else, we're going to return number two, number one. So you invoke sort 3, 2, assigning this result to this n1, n2. So what is n1 is 2, and 2 is 3. So this returning multiple values you're going to assign using this simultaneous assignment, assign the values. That is all for returning multiple values. See you on the next video.